awkward night. And that's Tindiwe Yego with your entertainment fix.
Now, report indicates, Aseli, that during the Golden Globes and that it will be happening, a lot of the actors and actresses will come out in black. Why? To give voice to sexual harassment in Hollywood.
And I'm telling you, it's been a big case this year. Weinstein was one of the guys who was accused by so many different people. Madam Kibao alikama wakasema Weinstein amefanya hiyo kitendo.
Nevertheless, we'd love to know who are some of those. You said that Denzel Washington will not grab it?
Denzel Washington will not grab it. That's the worst performance there is. Kama wangempatia movie ingine hapo hivyo before, I think angekuwa na chances za queen. But I'm telling you, Daniel Day-Lewis is retiring in style. I think he's going to take it.
Okay.
I think he's going to take it.
We are going to have to wait for Sunday to see who wins.
My favorite people are on that list.
And you know what I love about it?
It's so hard.
You know what I like about it? After the Golden Globes, we have the Oscars around late Feb, early March. So these awards are just going to go pop, 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 pop.
Lupita, bring another one. We are not playing with you. Moving on further afield, lazima tuambie there is fire on the mountain.
Ooh, Clinton.
And
What
I'm telling you, this first couple, Bill Clinton and Hillary Clinton, mazejo hao yao ilishikaganari. Which house am I talking about? New York, their New York house ilishikanari. And I'm telling you, it's super crazy how the first family can be able to be found in such an incident. Like, you know, the house that was on fire was not connected to the building. For those who want to know which exact part in New York hii hao iko, Chapakua, sijui kama inakaka Chapasturi ama kitu kayo. Chapakua, New York, 40 miles from New York City. Na pia Arthur Mendoza, who's the sergeant of this incident, said nobody was in the house and nobody was injured. So that's super crazy, super beautiful for these guys. Lakini hao imeweza na kuambia ni noma. But I know Hillary angezima hii moto peke yake.
That's a
she's an iron woman. She's an iron lady.
And because she's Hillary Clinton.
She could have even talked to the fire like, fire, you need to go out now. Fire, we need to time out. Fire.
Time out. I like that one. I like that. But thank God there were no casualties.
No casualties.
All
and
right.
I'm telling you, Bill Clinton is black. He's not in the house.